Hey guys, welcome back to the series on the important reports and indices for UPSC 2020, and as always, thank you for tuning in. As promised, we have delivered to you 10 reports categorizing them under the organizations such as German Watch, World Economic Forum, World Bank, UN, IMD, and coming lastly to today's videos, with the recent report released, the focus is going to be on the Bloomberg Innovation Index 2020. The annual Bloomberg Innovation Index in its 8th year has analyzed dozens of countries and ranked India in the 54th position out of 60 economies. The rankings are based on dozens of criteria centered around 7 metrics such as for patent activity, for research personal concentration, for tertiary education, for technology company density, for productivity, manufacturing value added, research and development expenditures. With these rankings shedding light on the ability of economies to innovate, that is a key theme at the annual World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland that took place in the recent January 21st to 24th. Germany took the first place in the 2020 Bloomberg Innovation Index, breaking South Korea's 6-year winning streak and pushing it down to the 2nd position, while US fell one notch to number 9. From amongst a total of 60 countries ranked in the index, Singapore rose from 6th place to 3rd overall, and 3 Nordic countries made it into the top 10. While Japan's innovation ranking dropped by 3 spots since last year, which is now placed in the 12th place, and the US, which held first place when the Bloomberg Index first debuted in 2013, is now only the 9th most innovative country in the world. The largest economy, China, rose 1 spot to the 15th from last year. While there is a lot to read in between the lines in terms of these rankings each country has secured, I suggest the viewers to take a 5-second pause here and note down the total scores, which are placed here, the strengths and the weaknesses of the above important countries that I just mentioned with respect to the 7 important criterions considered in the making of the report listed here. From amongst a total of 60 countries ranked in the index, Singapore rose from 6th place to 3rd overall, and 3 Nordic countries made it into the top 10. Moving ahead, Japan's innovation ranking dropped by 3 spots last year, and now it is placed in the 12th position. While US, which held first place when the Bloomberg Index first debuted in 2013, is now only the 9th most innovative country in the world. The second largest economy, China, rose 1 spot and secured the rank 15th. While there is a lot to read in between the lines in terms of the rankings of each country that has secured, I suggest the viewers here to take a 5-second pause and note down the overall scores of each country, or at least the important countries that I just mentioned here, and the strengths and weaknesses of the countries with respect to the 7 criteria considered that are important in the making of the list. Alternatively, the biggest loser in this year's index was New Zealand, falling 5 spots to number 29, and 4 economies that entered the Innovation Index for the first time are Algeria, which made an especially strong debut at number 49, as well as Egypt, Kazakhstan, and Macau. This chart represents the Asian countries ranked according to their most innovative levels, and which I request all the viewers here to make a mental note of. And coming to India in particular, it has grabbed the 54th spot among 60 countries in the index as mentioned in the introduction, while the score is 49.33 out of 100, maintaining a constant rank from 2019, with just the overall ranking sliding up from 47.93. As a concluding remark, while spending on research and development is considered to be the most important, shifts into productivity and also the education sector will significantly be encouraging for the quality of the top economies and also the rankings on the index to improve, with even the top listed countries such as Germany and South Korea, where the education sector's results are all not that rosy. Hoping that this series on the important reports and indices for UPSC Prelims and Mains 2020 has been helpful to you, I would like to sign off, but before that, I would also like to request to all the viewers watching here to drop a comment in the section below, suggesting us to come up with other reports or even a series altogether that would help you prepare for your civil services examinations. Thank you. Do like and share the video if you like the content of it, and also visit our website www.sosinclasses.com for any further queries. Bye.